One European journey. 8 years perfecting design. 40 years of experience. It all adds up to today and where we are, Portland, Oregon, and what we do. Make multipurpose products that live up to Tim Leatherman's standards for ingenuity, performance, and uncompromising quality. Without you, a Leatherman multi-tool is just steel. But in your hands, it saves the day. So, here's to you, the problem solvers, the risk takers, the adventurers, the people who never give up, who never quit until the job is done right. Like you, we're the type of people who don't wait, who make things happen now, not later. 40 years of successes and failures. We're still here, and we're not done yet. Because discovery doesn't have an expiration date, because innovation never stops.